Fáilte Irish. Welcome back. In this Irish language video, I'm going to show you 5 short and easy phrases that you can use in the Irish language. Let's start with this one, as soon as possible. In Irish, this is Chomh luath agus is féidir. Chomh luath agus is féidir, as soon as possible. So, beg me an sin, chomh luath agus is féidir. I will be there as soon as possible. Beg me an sin, chomh luath agus is féidir. Our next easy phrase is how to say I'm looking forward to it. Tá me ag tnú leis. I'm looking forward to it. Tá me ag tnú leis. And if you wanted to say we are very much looking forward to it, you could say this. Tá míad ag súil go mór leis. Tá míad ag súil go mór leis. Our next phrases are to do with the Irish verb aber, which is to say, aber. So for example, if somebody said, thank you, gurb mahagut, you could reply to that, ná habare, don't mention it. Or it's another way of saying you're welcome. Ná habare. Thank you very much, you're welcome. Gurb míle mahagut, ná habare. And if you wanted to ask somebody to say that in Irish, please, you could say the following. Aber é sin as Gaeilge le do ho. Aber é sin as Gaeilge le do ho. Say that in Irish, please. Our next phrase is to do with this word here, or this set of words here even, which means gradually. De réir a chéile. Gradually. De réir a chéile. So, tá me ag fiosú de réir a chéile. I am improving gradually. Tá me ag fiosú de réir a chéile. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, and don't forget to let me know in the comments section some of your favourite phrases that you say as Gaeilge. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Gurb magat agus slán go fóill.